In this video, I'll show you how to automate tasks on deal stages in Hubspot. So to do that, you first need to head over to your Automations tab and go over here to your workflows. Once you have done that, you have the option to create the workflow and select deal-based workflow for this case. So let's click on Create Workflow and let's start right here from scratch. Now this will open our Automation UI canvas. So for this case, let's just choose right here the trigger. For this case, just click onto this configuring and then search right here for the one that we want. Let's search for deal stage changes. You can see right here this deal stage. Click on this and then let's edit right here the criteria. Deal stage is shown right there. And then after you have done that, you can add right here an action. So click on Next, save and continue. Now, to add in here an action, you can proceed to click onto this plus icon. We have an action right here. Now, click onto this right here and search for Create Task. Now, proceed to search. Here's Create Task right here. Click on this and then just edit it out how you want it to be, like defining the task details, the due date, and the likes. Once you're done, just review and publish this. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick HubSpot guides.